Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, UK Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about changes to legal migration rules for family and work visas in 2024. The recent revisions to UK visa rules reflect a strategic effort to manage immigration levels with increased requirements for skilled worker visas and tightened criteria for spouse-partner visas. These changes aim to align immigration policies with broader government objectives while addressing concerns over migration. This report explores the specifics of these adjustments and their implications for visa applicants and stakeholders. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The impact and implications of recent changes to UK visa rules. In December 2023, the UK Home Secretary, James Cleverly, introduced a comprehensive five-point plan aimed at reducing immigration through significant adjustments to visa regulations. These changes, detailed further in subsequent updates by the Home Office, have since been implemented, altering the landscape for various categories of visa applicants, and sponsors this report delves into the specifics of these alterations, exploring the rationale behind each change, the timing of their implementation, and their potential repercussions. Overview of the 5 changes. The revisions to the UK visa rules encompass a diverse set of modifications affecting different visa categories and criteria. The key changes are outlined as follows. 1. Dependents of social care workers effective from 11th March 2024. Newly arriving social care workers are no longer permitted to bring their dependents, partners, and children on their visas. 2. Skilled worker visa salary requirements. The baseline minimum salary to be sponsored for a skilled worker visa has surged from PS 26,200 to PS 38,700. Additionally, the going rate minimum salary specific to each job has also seen a substantial increase. 3. Immigration salary list. A revised and abbreviated list of jobs eligible for sponsorship under the skilled worker visa at a reduced minimum salary has been introduced, now called the immigration salary list. 4. Spouse-partner visa income threshold. The minimum income required to sponsor someone for a spouse-partner visa has escalated from PS 18,600 to PS 29,000, with plans for further increases to approximately PS 34,500 by later in 2024, and ultimately reaching around PS 38,700 by early 2025. 5. Review of the graduate visa. The graduate visa, which offers a 2-year unsponsored work permit to overseas graduates of British universities, is currently under review with findings expected by 14th May 2024. Implementation timeline. The changes have been rolled out in stages, each with specific effective dates. 1. 11th March 2024 ban on social care workers bringing dependents into effect. 2. 4th April 2024 increased minimum salary thresholds for skilled worker visas take effect. 3. 4th April 2024 introduction of the interim immigration salary list. 4. 11th April 2024 minimum income for spouse-partner visas rises to PS 29,000. 5. Later in 2024 planned increase to approximately PS 34,500 for spouse-partner visas. 6. Early 2025 targeted increase to around PS 38,700 for spouse-partner visas. Parliamentary oversight. The changes to visa regulations are implemented through statements of changes to the immigration rules, which are subject to parliamentary scrutiny. Typically, these changes take effect automatically unless explicitly annulled by either the House of Commons or House of Lords within 40 days. Notably, the House of Commons is not obliged to vote on these changes, even if motions are tabled against them. A Westminster Hall debate, scheduled for 23rd April, will address the family visa changes but will not involve a formal vote. Rationale behind the changes. The primary driver behind these alterations is the government's stance on reducing immigration levels. Ministers have expressed concern over high net migration figures, citing international students, social care workers, and their dependents as significant contributors to this trend. The changes build upon prior restrictions on student dependents and aim to curtail migration, aligning with the government's broader immigration policy objectives. Clarifications on visa extensions and income thresholds. A notable clarification relates to income thresholds for visa extensions versus initial applications. The increased PS 29. A 000 income requirement applies solely to first-time visa applicants. Existing visa holders or those applying for extensions are subject to transitional arrangements based on the prior income threshold of PS 18,600. Additionally, savings can be used to supplement income for visa applications with specific guidelines dictating how savings factor into the minimum income threshold calculations. Comparison with international standards. The UK's visa rules, particularly the income thresholds for spouse partner visas, are compared with similar policies in other countries, while many countries have comparable requirements for demonstrating sufficient economic resources. The UK's thresholds and criteria are noted to be relatively stringent compared to international norms. Exemptions and transitional arrangements. Certain exemptions and transitional arrangements exist for individuals already holding visas or applying for extensions under the skilled worker route. Notably, individuals under certain circumstances may be subject to lower salary thresholds, particularly those within specific age brackets or career stages. In conclusion, the recent changes to UK visa rules represent a significant shift in immigration policy aimed at reducing net migration levels and recalibrating the criteria for various visa categories. The impact of these changes extends beyond immediate applicants to encompass broader socioeconomic implications, particularly in sectors reliant on overseas talent and expertise. The ongoing review of the graduate visa and forthcoming debates within Parliament highlights the evolving nature of UK immigration policy and its multifaceted implications for stakeholders within and outside the country. The updated UK visa rules demonstrate a proactive approach to immigration management, emphasizing the government's commitment to controlling migration flows. As these changes take effect, monitoring their impact will be essential to assess their alignment with immigration objectives and their implications for various sectors. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel UK Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about the changes to legal migration rules for family and work visas in 2024. The UK recent overhaul of visa rules, spearheaded by Home Secretary James Cleverly, introduced significant changes affecting various visa categories. These alterations, outlined in a 5-point plan, include restriction on social care workers, bringing dependents, raised salary thresholds for skilled workers visas, and heightened income requirements for spouse partner visas. The changes rolled out in stages with specific effective dates reflect the government's aim to reduce immigration levels and align with a broader policy objective. Parliamentary oversight, clarification on income thresholds, comparisons with international standard, and expansion, transitional arrangements, and complicity to the evolving landscape of UK immigration. Monitoring the impact of these changes is crucial for assessing their efficiency and socio-economic implication. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in next episode. Till then, take care.